Are you vacuuming? Good, now pull it down. Let me help you. Okay, there you go. Watch, pull it down. There you go. Oop! Pick it up. You vacuuming? Ooh. Oh, ow, that's my foot. Do you have lipstick in your hand? Uh-oh. You gonna turn it off? Turn it off.
Mama.
No, I don't want to do it. You do it.
Mama.
Nope, come here. Let's turn it off. You turned it on. You know how to turn it off. Oh, that's your chocolate milk. Both hands, please. No. Thank you. Okay, turn it off. You know that's the off switch. Reagan. I love you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah, that's the off switch. Turn it off. Good job. Thank you for vacuuming.